Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the unboxing of the residential project Runwal Raya by Runwal Realty located in Worli. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office, which is also the actual land parcel of the project. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, maintenance, parking, possession, pros and cons, and much more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, where your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 4.2 acres, consisting of two towers that will be developed all together with two basement, ground, 4 podium, and 68 floors, and the other tower of 2 basement, ground, 4 podium, and 72 floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK, and 5 BHK residences. Also, Jodi and duplex options are available. Now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located on Ganpatrao Kadam Marg, Worli Naka, Mumbai, from where Phoenix Palladium Mall is only at a distance of 300 meters, Bandra Worli Sea Link is only at a distance of 1.3 kilometers, BKC is only at a distance of 11 kilometers, and you have Western Express Highway only at a distance of 7 kilometers from the project. And now, talking about the amenities, in internal amenities, you will be getting built-up finish and bare shell apartments. Also, in the external amenities, you will be getting 30 plus luxury amenities with swimming pool, clubhouse, jogging track, kids play area, tennis court, multi-purpose court, and many more amenities within the project. And now, talking about the maintenance varies with configuration, with 3 BHK maintenance ranging between 43,400 to 49,500 per month, and 4 BHK maintenance ranging between 55,200 to 62,700, and 5 BHK maintenance ranging between 1 lakh to 1,12,500 per month. Talking about the parking part, this project has basement and podium level of car parking facilities. And now, talking about the possession part, the RERA possession date for the project is for December 2032, but the target possession is for December 2030. And talking about the pros and cons of the project, for that, you can visit our website www.housey.com. So everyone, this was the unboxing of the residential project Runwal Raya by Runwal Realty located in Worli.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.